You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back to the podcast. When the Landry family decided to move from Pasadena, California, to the coastal city in Portugal, they knew they were in for more than just a change of scenery. With 2 kids, a home full of furniture, and a vintage motorcycle that they didn't want to leave behind, the stakes were high. What they didn't realize was how complicated international shipping would be until they reached out to SDC International Shipping. "We had no idea how many rules there were," Amanda told us. "We thought we would just box everything up and send it overseas like a big Amazon order. Turns out you can't pack half the stuff we were planning to take." Thankfully, Amanda had a conversation with an SDC relocation specialist early in the planning process. Within days, SDC sent a team to walk through the house and take inventory. They flagged items that weren't allowed, like aerosol, cleaning sprays, pantry goods, and lithium batteries, and explained why these seemingly harmless items could delay or even block their container at customs. They told us, "You can't ship this bottle of disinfectant, but we can take your upright piano as long as it's packed properly." That was eye-opening, Amanda recalled. Amanda and her husband Greg were especially worried about a few irreplaceable pieces: a collection of oil paintings by Greg's late uncle, a grand piano that had been in Amanda's family for 3 generations. SDC handled both with care, building custom wooden crates on site, using moisture-resistant materials, and including professional appraisals and documentation required for custom clearance and full coverage insurance. "The crating guys were incredible," Greg said. "They treated our things like museum pieces. It gave us such a peace of mind." The family opted for full professional packing, and that choice paid off. SDC created a detailed, custom-ready inventory, labeled each box clearly, and used heat-treated materials to comply with international regulations. This not only helped their shipment clear Portuguese customs quickly, it also ensured that their all-risk insurance would be valid from pickup to delivery. "When we got to Portugal, everything arrived exactly how it left. No delays, no damage, no headaches," Amanda said. Greg's biggest question was whether he should ship his restored 1972 motorcycle in the same container as her household goods. The answer from SDC? Absolutely, but here's how we'll do it safely. SDC arranged for the motorcycle to be secured in a custom crate, drained of fuel, cleaned thoroughly, and blocked and braced alongside the family's furniture in a 40-foot full container load. The team even walked Greg through the extra paperwork and import rules for Portugal's vehicle regulations. "I can't imagine trying to do this on my own," Greg said. "SDC handled it all, and now I'm riding my motorcycle through the hills here in Portugal." Are you inspired by Amanda and Greg's story? You don't have to figure it out on your own. Call SDC International Shipping at 877-339-0267, or you can visit our website to talk to our relocation expert, who will make your move smooth, safe, and stress-free.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.